if you guys can hear that. Hang on, let's see. So that's rain. So happy it waited until I got in the door. It actually started pouring when I was supposed to get there, when I was supposed to leave work. But I had to end up staying later because the guy was stuck in traffic. So I ended up staying a little bit longer, which let me get home before this. I was also going to run to the mall to pick something up, and I decided I was too tired. So had I have done that, I also would have got stuck in that thunderstorm. So happy I didn't. It is a real fall day out there. But, yeah. It was a long day, very chaotic day at work. So I'm happy to be home. I'm going to make some asparagus. Cause that's what you do. That's what you make for dinner. And, yeah, asparagus and probably resting because I open tomorrow. I do the 6:30 shift. So I have to go to bed, like, early today. So, yeah. Yay.
Shabadoo's meowing. Must mean it's early. Stop it.
I don't know if you guys can even see me or hear me, but the last 10 minutes, the last hour has been a disaster. I came downtown because I had a meeting for a volunteer thing I'm doing. I got the time wrong and I was an hour late, 45 minutes late. Luckily she was still there. I emailed her, she's like, "Are you still in the area? Just come sign the forms. We'll get you started and then you're good to go." Oh, okay, cool. I still felt like an idiot. And then I just walked the wrong way. I was like, oh, I'll catch this bus because it'll be faster. I'm an idiot and I walked the wrong way. I just want to go home, have some hot chocolate, get in pajamas, and sulk. Long day, long day. This is the perfect example of vote anyone but Harper. Let me show you. Oh, you can't see it, but it's the Green Party, NDP, and Liberal. I love it.
Okay. Turn it back on you? Alright, back to work. Hello. Yeah, let's go back. We'll get on to the side, we'll walk through the class right there. And, it's really cool. The whole deal with like the whole Earth Day and two thing. So, chicken fingers, jalapeno poppers, healthy-ish, no.
Well,
it was good.
The chicken wasn't so bad because it's actual chicken.